Most people think that the smallest form of the Flood is the infection form, but it isn't. The Flood begins with something far smaller, and infinitely more dangerous. The Flood supercell. Officially designated LFXX3273, the Flood supercell is the basic material composing virtually every piece of Flood biomass. All of it is constructed from the same adaptable cell. Unlike the specialized cells inside your body, the supercell is undifferentiated. It can be arranged to imitate muscle, nerves, organs, skin, or practically any biological structure the Flood requires. Forerunner researchers described it with two terrifying words: thinking muscle. When an infection form pierces a victim, it introduces these cells into the body. They can also be breathed in naturally through the form of spores. The supercells capture and interface with the victim's own cells, breaking them down, analyzing them, and rebuilding their material as more Flood tissue. So the Flood doesn't simply crawl inside you and control your body, it replaces you. Your muscles become Flood muscles, your nerves become Flood nerves, your organs are reconstructed into crude imitations designed only to keep the new creature functioning. And the conversion continues until most of the host's original biomass has been consumed and repurposed. Later in an outbreak, when enough biomass and intelligence have accumulated, the Flood no longer even requires living victims. It can grow entire war forms from masses of supercells, using salvaged bones as frameworks and rearrange those creatures when the battlefield changes. That is why the Flood can become almost anything. Every infected soldier, every fleshy growth covering the walls, and every grave mind directing the swarm is ultimately built from the same substance. A cell that can consume life, understand its construction, and rebuild it into part of the Flood.